Hi you all, it's me Maya March and I'm back with another video. Today we are featuring YWigs, their kinky straight human crochet hair in 20 inches. As you can see, I have some hair left out. Now this is all optional because obviously I'm using the feather crochet hair, so you actually don't need to leave any hair out. But for this particular demonstration, I want to show you exactly what it looked like as if you was gonna get like a sew-in or even like a quick weave. So right now I'm leaving out my perimeter, and I'm also leaving out hair around that part. So you don't have to leave as much as I did out. Oh yeah, I also did the back because I wanted a ponytail. So right now you want to go ahead and braid your base, and you want it to be super flat, and you do want to sew your base because that's going to give you that extra tightness that you need. From there you can grab a few strands. In the back I particularly grabbed about 3 or 4 of them. In the front I do go back to like between 1, 2. I don't do 3 because that's a little thicker, but in the back, I'm not gonna lie, I did take about 3 to 4 strands of hair as I was placing that in, and then the closer I got to that front, I started thinning it out and only taking 2 strands of hair. As you can see, I'm almost finished in the back. I'm kind of doing the same thing. As you get to the perimeter, I'm only using about 2, maybe even 1 strand. Some of it isn't even getting all the way filled in, just because I do not want to wear on my edges. Be careful, because not saying this hair in particular, but just in general, you don't want too much wearing on your edges, especially if you have thinner edges or they're a little bit weaker. Be careful with placing too much hair on your weaker edges. So why use the crochet? Is super time saving and eliminates the need to manually stretch hair before installation. So really, like I said, you don't even have to have any leave out and you can still achieve this same look, or you can go for something that looks even more natural and it's more versatile, where people will never be able to tell that it's your real hair. As you can see, I just took my twist down, but look how well it's blending with my hair. It's consistent texture. It maintains uniform thickness and length for a polished look. It is reduced bulk, especially once you actually flat iron or press comb the hair. It's less likely to tangle or appear overly bulky compared to unstretched hair. It's super beginner friendly. It's easy to work with. It's definitely a DIY, as you can see. Right now I am going to pre-stretch my hair using my Rev Air. You can use any hair dryer, but this one in particular, it actually protects your hair. But before you even get to the drying part, I did spray my Kendra. That is a heat protecting spray. So anytime you're placing heat on your hair, do not forget to place a heat protecting spray. I do like theirs. I'll link everything in the description box as well. So for the packaging, each package contains 2 bundles, and I used a total of 4 bundles. Now, as you can see, I did leave a little bit more hair out. So if I was you, if you're going to leave absolutely no hair out, go ahead and buy 5 packs. That's going to be more than enough. For your styling options, this can be washed, it can be flat ironed, and it can be straightened, and you can obviously curl it. This is reusable for up to 1 year, and it is providing a long-term and versatile styling solution for you. Right now I'm just taking my flat irons and I'm flat ironing my hair. I'm only going through it about, I think, once, no more than 2 times, and I am using ceramic just because it protects the natural hair just a little bit more. And yes, I did still add a heat protectant on that. Next I'm going in on the actual hair. I didn't feel like going through with my flat iron, so I took my pressing comb. This is like an easier way. Next, we're just curling the hair, and you all, this hair definitely took and retained the curls. Don't forget to use a hairspray. Anything will work, but you do need a hairspray in regards to retaining your curls. And I cannot lie, I really enjoyed this hair, you all. Like, you can do so many styles, and make sure you stay all the way to the end because I am going to show you how versatile the hair is. I will probably try this hair again just so you can see what it looked like in different styles. You also could do like a half up, half down. You can do a ponytail. You can do anything, and obviously, yes, you can go to the gym in this hair. And sometimes I install the hair without pre-washing it, but this time I actually did wash the hair. So I will say that the hair looked exactly the same after you wash it, and obviously I did allow it to air dry. I didn't want to put too much heat on my hair or the hair, which I really don't care about placing too much heat on that hair, but I didn't want too much heat on mine. So once you see it's all finished, I did maintain the integrity of my hair and the hair. I kept it to be a fluffy, natural hairstyle. You can get it a little bit more sleeker, but I felt like if you were buying the kinky straight hair, you wanted to see what options you had when you don't have maybe even enough time, or you just want something that's easy and convenient, not making you to become this super big professional while also giving you a sleek and super cute look. So I left it pretty natural, but obviously I did throw in the curls and I did flat iron my hair. But after it was all done, my curly natural hair was completely healthy still. It was nothing affected. Make sure you just use your heat protectants and be easy on your hair. This is a kinky straight hair texture, so it's meant to blend in with your natural hair, so you don't have to place in too much heat. And you can maintain this style by obviously having your bonnet late at night. Maybe you can either put some sponge rollers, okay y'all, I don't know if I have a tutorial on that too, but you can place some sponge rollers on your natural hair because it's already pre-straightened, you all, right? We don't want to place too much heat on its head. Put some sponge rollers on your real hair, and I promise you those curls are gonna come out so fire. And you can still place heat obviously on your head for like the other hair, but if not, you could even do the full head with sponge rollers, and just like my grandma, those curls are gonna come out perfect. But also don't forget to have like a silk pillow. You know, we want to maintain the hair the same way we would our natural hair. This style can last about up to 3 months. Any crochet hair, I would always say, can last up to 3 months depending on how loose the install gets. So when you do your braid and base, make sure you do something like that super secure. I feel like I could have did mine a little bit better, but obviously I don't have the room to keep mine in for 3 months, but I know it can because I always work with a lot of hair clients, and I know how long my hair clients will sometimes hit me back and they'll be like, oh yeah, I just wanted to let you know I still got that hair in my head, and it'll be probably about 3 months later and it'll actually still look good. That's something I absolutely love about crochet hair, is it seems like the longer you wear it, the more it just starts looking even more natural, and everybody cannot tell if it's your real hair. And now that I even say that, when I was on the phone with my mom, because you know I have like naturally long hair, she was like, is that all your hair? And I was like, yeah. And she really thought it was my real hair. So listen y'all, when I say how would they know, how would they know? This is definitely a good hair investment, and you can literally just put it in and it doesn't take long at all. This install only took me about 2 hours to install. If you want to do it extra good, it's probably going to take you about 3 hours. But right now I'm just adding my curls and we are almost complete with this look. Look at you all. Right now I'm just showing you some style options. Look at that, we got it up into a full ponytail, and then we're wearing it down and up into a bun and our half up and half down. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I missed and I love you all so much, and I look forward to talking and seeing you all until later. Do not forget to like, comment, share. Bye y'all.
What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I